Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Lambert and today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 delicious vegetable juice recipes. Let's get started. So this week I'm actually doing a 3-day vegetable juice fast. So juicing is so beneficial to the body. It gives you lots of antioxidants, it helps you to maintain a healthy immune system, promotes digestive health, and even helps you to maintain a healthy weight or even lose weight. So this week I'm actually doing a 3-day vegetable juice fast where I drink nothing but vegetable juice and some water, of course, but I will not be eating any food for 3 days. The whole purpose of it is to rejuvenate my body and get the added vitamins and minerals in fresh organic vegetables. In addition to the juice fast, I'm actually going to add this supplement from Dr. Ohhira called Detox and Liver Health. It contains a bacteria called Lactobacillus Fermentum ME-3. And what this bacterium does is that it helps your body to produce a very important antioxidant called glutathione. So glutathione is a master antioxidant of your body. Number one, every cell in your body produces glutathione. Glutathione has so many amazing benefits. For one, it boosts your immune system. It helps to promote better sleep at night. It also supports your joint health and your muscle health. Other benefits of glutathione includes improving your skin health and also too promoting longevity or slowing the aging process. Now, this bacterium actually helps your body to utilize the available glutathione in your body. Also, too, it produces its own glutathione and it helps your body to produce more glutathione. Now, I just started using this supplement and so far I do find that I am more energetic. And I'll definitely tell you more about how this supplement is very beneficial to the body. But very important that you keep in mind that you need glutathione to help you to maintain optimal health, especially a healthy immune system. So I'm actually going to share with you 2 vegetable juices that I'll be using for my 3-day fast. So stay tuned. Now the first juice is very simple. I call it that purple drink. It's slightly sweet and very earthy. It consists of 1 cucumber, 6 to 8 stalks of celery, 1 head of broccoli, and a half head of purple cabbage. Make sure you wash all of your vegetables before juicing and simply just toss them into your juicer and watch the delicious juice flow. The second juice I'm going to show you is called the Carrot Ginger Zing, made up of 2.5 pounds of washed carrots and about an inch of peeled ginger. The carrots have beta-carotene, antioxidants, which are good for weight loss, maintaining eye health, and lowering your cholesterol. The ginger has gingerol, which is antibacterial, antiviral, and good for your health. Give this drink a try. It is super delicious and sweet. Alright guys, so here I actually have my 2 jars of vegetable juice. Here I have my carrot ginger juice and here I have my vegetable juice consisting of broccoli, celery, cucumber, and red cabbage. One tip to store your freshly squeezed vegetable juice is to put them in glass jars. You could buy glass jars or you can reuse jars from spaghetti sauce. So what I did, I took these spaghetti sauce jars and I washed them thoroughly and made sure they were completely dry before putting my juices in these jars. Also to make sure they're well sealed on the top and drink them within 2 to 3 days. Now with the juices that I made, they are packed with vitamins A, C, and K. Also to lots of antioxidants, which are very good in helping you to reduce your risk of cancer, boost your immune system, promote skin health, and in the case of the carrot juice, it also helps you to boost your eye health. So there's so many amazing benefits of juicing. Also, with this juice fast that I'm doing, I am using the Reg'Activ Detox and Liver Health by Dr. Ohhira. And this particular supplement actually increases the amount of glutathione in your body. As I said before, glutathione is a master antioxidant. It helps boost your immune system, it promotes liver health, it also promotes healthy skin and sleep. And I have to admit, since I started taking this product, I find that my sleep is better. So I do highly recommend that you try this product to see whether or not it works for you. So the last thing I'm going to do before I close this video is a taste test of my green drinks. I have some here, a little sample. But I know a lot of people don't like green juices because it's like either it doesn't smell as great to them or it doesn't taste good. but I can assure you this one is pretty tasty. It could be that I do like to juice a lot. However, even if you don't necessarily care as much for the taste, one thing that you could do is add a little ginger to take off the bitter taste of the vegetables. Also, too, as you adjust to juicing, after a while, it does taste pretty good. So I'm gonna have to have a taste before I sip. So cheers. I actually like it a lot. It's really tasty. Anyway guys, happy juicing, and I'll see you in my next video. If you want me to do any more videos on the benefits of juicing, please DM me. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as that's where I'll be posting most of my videos. All right, take care of yourselves and God bless.